father of modern statistics and experimental design. So siguro, siya yung nagpauso ng design of experiments sa statistics. No? Yung kung paano kino-compute yung population. No? Meron tayong tinatawag na yung Fisher's method sa statistics. So, kaya na yun, dahil ang father of modern statistics is si Sir Ronald Fisher. So, isa siyang botanist, but at the same time, he was considered the father of modern statistics. So, yan, kailangan malaman natin yan. Basic knowledge yan. So, kaya nga inilagay ko dun sa librong gagawin ko, sa Biblia ang ginagawa ko, itong mga tao na to. No? So, yun yung importanteng nalalaman natin. Si Sir Ronald Fisher pala, yung father of modern statistics and experimental design. So, yun lang po.